Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. As you can see, I have the same shirt on because obviously I recorded twice today. I'm on a roll. But today I'm going to be doing a hair unboxing. I got a wig. I got another wig. Or yeah, this is like my first wig. First wig that I did not make. This is the hair. It's an afro. I'm so excited. I don't know why they decided to put a red wig looking like a whole clown. Like, but it's a black wig. I wasn't going for this clown look because I usually be acting like a clown or be doing clown shit, but you know, I got black. Oh, this is big. What? 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 So yeah, this is the package that it came in. I don't know. It just says Afro Wig large 1B. Maybe I should have gotten medium, but you know what? The bigger the afro, the more you look bum, or the bummer you look. Wow, this wig is actually humongous. My camera cut off when I was talking, but this is how it looks. I love it so much. It's really big. I got a large thinking it was like the wig cap like itself is going to be a large, but actually I think it meant like the hair is going to be large. So if you don't want your wig to be this big, I would recommend you to get a medium, but I'll probably get a smaller one, probably like a medium. But it's super cute. I love it. I can't wait to do several shoots, and if y'all are looking forward to seeing how the shoots are going to turn out, you should definitely follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right here. I don't know, I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen, but yeah, so where is the so the hair is Freetress equal the luxury integration wig, and yeah, I got 1B, and there was several ones. I think there was like 1B and like one with highlights and a brown one and then jet black. I think I got 1B obviously, and yeah, it's super cute. I love it. Gives me this 70s vibe. I couldn't even wait. I couldn't wait. I already posted it on my story, but yeah, so if you want a wig just like this, I'm gonna leave the link below. And yeah, so it wasn't even expensive, y'all. This was only like $25, like $25. That's pretty good. And I also got this wig because I'm just trying to really change my look. Like this whole quarantine thing got me wanting to like explore and just change my look and be more versatile when it comes to my style, because I realized, like, I was scrolling through my Instagram one night and I was just like, wow, like I really just be having the same hairstyle all the time. So I'm just like, you know what, this is summertime, I can't go outside, I can't go nowhere, so I might as well just explore and experiment different hairstyles, different looks, different styles, different everything, and just, you know, bring more of the creative side that I put in my bio for y'all. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. And please share, please share this video so I can get to where I need to get to, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.